Back home now, title holders Jamaica College chalked up another win in the ISSA Manning Cup competition after a 2-1 victory over Kingston Technical High on Wednesday. Dylan John and Janoy Ennis had JC 2-0 up from as early as the 8th minute. It stayed that way until the 85th when Dwayne Hudson put a blemish on their clean sheet when he handed Kingston Technical a consolation goal.
I think the entire first half we dominated the game. Should have scored more. In the second half, I think we also started the game well. But Kingston Technical is a very spirited team. We gave them a goal, and hence they got life, they got belief. And the last 10 minutes, they made it into a game. But I think the result was never in doubt.
Early on, I think it will have a little jitter. They find they put in after the second half, and hence we make a comeback, but it was too late.
Elsewhere in the day, Joshua Dewar scored in the 40th minute as Haile Selassie edged out Eltham High 1-0 in Group C to continue their perfect record from 5 outings.
You know, it's a dog fight that we play with Eltham team, you know, but we dig deep, you know, we dig deep and we know that we come here to battle it hard and today we come out with a 1-0 victory, you know, and it's really a good plus for us. Yeah, them put up a pretty fight, but nevertheless, we're still down, so we have to go and come back.
In other games, the Kingston College edged Charles Smith High 1-0 and Mona swamped Edith Dalton James 6-0.